Today we are going to solve a problem about variable. A power plant is said to have use factor of 48.5% and a capacity factor of 42.4%. How many hours did it operate during the year? So first is we need to convert the use factor and the capacity factor. So the use factor is 48.5, then convert it into 0.485, and then the capacity factor is 42.4 and convert it into 0.424. So the solution is, since in a year it has a 8,760 hours, so we need to put it in here. Multiply it by the capacity factor of 0.424, then equals to use factor, which is the 0.485, multiply it by number of hours per year. So you need to shift solve it in the calculator or divide it into 0.485. So the answer will be 7,658 or 7,660 approximate hours.